A big announcement from Governor Kate Brown today. Healthcare workers across the state will now be required to get the COVID-19 vaccine or submit to weekly testing. The governor is directing the health authority to outline the new rule this week, and it will go into effect by the end of September. Fox 12's Drew Reeves has reaction from the healthcare community.
And that rule will apply whether somebody works at a large hospital or runs their own private practice. The governor says that by putting it in effect at the end of September, it will give people time to get fully vaccinated. Later this week, healthcare workers will get the directive to get the shot or get tested.
We have a special obligation to our community and to our patients.
As the Delta variant spreads quickly in communities, the governor hopes this new rule will curb the spread of COVID-19.
This new safety measure is necessary to stop Delta from causing severe illness amongst our first line of defense, our doctors, nurses, medical students, and frontline healthcare workers.
Similar rules have been implemented in hospitals across Oregon, like OHSU, which is giving employees until September 1st to get vaccinated or get an exemption and receive vaccine-related education.
We're collecting people who are ill with COVID and caring for them at the same time that we're caring for anyone who may get sick who doesn't have COVID and who's vulnerable. And so our mission calls for it.
Dr. Marcel Curlin at OHSU says the governor is taking a good step forward.
I think it's the right move.
But some others disagree.
I still won't get vaccinated. I will get tested weekly if that's what has to be done.
Sandy Ramirez is an in-home caregiver. She says she doesn't trust the vaccine yet and is fine with doing weekly testing.
I don't think it's right for them to try to force somebody to do what they don't want to do.
Meanwhile, the Oregon Nurses Association and the Oregon Association of Hospitals and Healthcare Systems have praised the governor's decision, and more hospitals continue to implement their own vaccine requirement systems, most recently Peace Health and Legacy.
We're very excited to get the vaccine policy underway here at OHSU and hope that it really brings us to maybe even higher levels of vaccination coverage.
The governor says that she is also encouraging other employers to create incentives for their employees to get the vaccine and create their own masking policies. She also says that she will be working with legislators next year to address a law that says that employers cannot require their employees to get the vaccine. Reporting in Southwest Portland, Drew Reeves, Fox 12 Oregon.